In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the spacing of texts on Wix Studio. Whether you're aiming to make your content more readable or simply trying to improve the overall aesthetics of your website, adjusting text spacing is an excellent tool to have up your sleeve. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First, what you'll want to do is identify and click on the specific text element you want to edit. This may be any piece of text that seems too cramped or needs a bit more breathing room. Clicking on it will lead you to the next crucial part of the process. Once you've clicked on the text, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here, a section called the Inspector tab should be visible. However, if it's not already opened, don't worry. You'll notice an arrow symbol. Simply click on this arrow to expand the Inspector tab and reveal additional options. With the Inspector tab open, shift your gaze to the top part of this pane. You'll notice a paintbrush icon, which is our gateway to the design options. Click on this paintbrush icon to open the Design Options menu. This part of the process is essential as it allows you access to various customization features that Wix Studio offers. Within the Design tab, you'll see specific spacing options available. These are categorized into vertical and horizontal spacing. Vertical spacing affects the space between lines of text, which can be particularly useful for improving readability in paragraphs. Horizontal spacing, on the other hand, pertains to the space between letters or words, allowing you to refine how text fills a line or aligns with other elements. You now have the freedom to adjust these spacing values to your liking. You can increase the spacing to create a sense of calm and clarity, or decrease it if you prefer a more compact look. This flexibility ensures that your text aligns perfectly with your design vision and the overall layout of your website. And there you have it. Once you've made your adjustments and are satisfied with the way your text looks, you're all set. Tweaking the text spacing doesn't only help in improving the readability, but it also enhances the visual flow of your content on your site. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has provided you with the clarity and direction you needed to adjust text spacing on your Wix Studio projects. Remember, these changes can make a significant impact on user experience, so feel free to experiment until you find that perfect harmony. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Enjoy enhancing your website with style and functionality.